Hello guys, welcome to CP Toys here to bring you a review on this MECHA Depot Maintenance Area from JOYTOY. This is my final diorama piece from JOYTOY. This was the last one I was missing. This is the front of the box, right hand side, the back, the left hand side, the top, and the bottom. Right, let's get the piece out. Okay, so here are the pieces. I ordered this from AliExpress. Sorry. I just bumped into the camera. From Alina. The Alina store. It took a while for me to get it. Usually it doesn't take that long, especially if you're paying for shipping. I usually order from JOYTOY in AliExpress, and they do take long to ship. Not well, to deliver. I shouldn't say to ship, because they go and they go to their post office right away, but it takes a while to get from China to here. But usually if you gotta pay for shipping, and you expect for the thing to get to you sooner, but took forever. Now there was another. I used to order from another store, Locker Toys. And Locker Toys, they charge for shipping, but usually they deliver within 4 or 5 days. I mean, that was what they usually did, but now it's like recently, the last couple of times that I ordered from Locker Toys, it was taking forever for me to get that stuff. And Locker Toys charge you for shipping, and the prices are okay. They're not as cheap as some of the stores in AliExpress. So I'd rather order on AliExpress if I'm gonna have to wait a long time for me to get my stuff. Might as well, pay the cheaper price. So these are all the parts. These are the instructions that it comes with on how to build it. These are all the parts and how to build it. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, so the first one is building like the floor. So we need 5 of these and 5 of these. Put them together. So the way you put them together, you put them upside down, and then you use these clips that it comes with, and you join the boards with the clips. One in. Bingo. Floor's done. So now I had to put all of these bins all. Alright, let's build it all. So here it is, the first floor with all the bins. Now we have to put the second floor, this pieces here. Get it done. So this one goes here. In. Things are masochists. They like to get hit. They enjoy pain. Now I need a long board for this one right here. And one of these here. That's in. That's in. And that's it. Let's continue with the rest. So here I have it upside down because these two boards need a clip in between to hold them together. And I forgot to put that before I mounted the boards on the bin. But not a big deal. That's one. There's one over here. No. I gotta put the pieces here. So these are the E-piece. The E-pieces that go here. This way. And done. So next up is all of these bins and the three boards in the back to build the foundation for the third floor. Right, let's get it on. Okay, so run into problems. As I'm building this, I noticed that these pieces, I'm supposed to have 18 according to the instructions. See, it's supposed to be 18 of those. I only have 16. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 here is 10, 4 up here is 14, and these two are 16. So I'm missing 2. Or not these. And none of this here. So these people sent me something that it was incomplete, which is weird because it was sealed. It wasn't like it was open, so I don't know. Maybe JOYTOY forgot to put 18 and they only put 16. So now, not only I had to wait, I waited for a month and something to get my stuff, but they sent me something incomplete. Now I'm pissed. Well, let's see how I could fix this. Okay, now that I'm missing 2 rods, 2 of those metal things supposed to be the ones with the 2 of these. So I had to take. See, this one was supposed to. This is supposed to be facing in, and it's supposed to have one of these rods there. One on this side, one on the other side. So, being that I'm missing 2 rods, I turned this around like this, facing this way instead of facing that way. So I could take this rod out and replace it with the ones that I'm missing. Now this is not, it's alright, but this part right here is only, this part right here, it's only secured by the clip that is in the middle under here. So let's continue building up. I already put one piece here. I need to put all these pieces there and then build the other floor. Okay, so I have to put this floor here, but here's the problem. It's gonna be secure here, here, and here, but there's nothing here to hold him, and I don't have any extra rods. It sucks. Maybe if I switch this here, and no, because I'm gonna still be missing rods. Well, switch this one here, use that one there, and turn that one around. You put this one, I have this thing here, so this will face this way like this one is, and it'll be the same situation here, like down here, like the same as down here. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, so now it's a little better. They had this there. You know, I could rest there. When I put the clip in the middle, it's gonna have some support there. That one's in. That one's in. Now all I need to put is a clip in the middle here. So here it is. The third floor is built. It's kind of wobbly. Well, hopefully when I put the other parts up here, it'll make it harder. If not, I'm gonna use some of the black clips and put it there. I have extras from other dioramas. So let's see. So now we gotta build this part. We need the 4 ones of these, 4 of this, and this guys. On top of them. Okay, so the top floor is all set with the roof. Now is putting the fences and the ladders. Let's do that. Okay, so we have fences on both sides here. Let's see. There and there on both sides. Also here and here. So down here and there. And that's it. Okay, so one ladder goes here. So, come on, there you go. Here. It's not aligned. See, not aligned. But whatever. One goes there, and this one goes up here. It's a little better aligned than that one. But it's okay. And just, oh, I gotta put the fences. Put the fences. So all of the fences are the same. They have this yellow and black thingy here. Sticker. There's none on this side. So put this like so, facing outward. So make this face out, and this one put it right here. Put another one right here on the top. There it is. Now on the other side. Okay, now all of the fences are in. A word of advice, try to put the ladders last of all. Because usually when you put in, like I put the fences last, and I had to turn the whole diorama around to put the fences. And sometimes you could bump into something turning the thing around, and if it gets caught on the ladder, it's gonna crack. It's gonna break. This plastic that they use is kind of like hard. It doesn't bend much. So if by you turning it, you hit something, ladder's gonna crack. So to avoid any accidents, just put them last. But this is it. Finished. Now, being that this set came with 2 missing rods, it was missing 2 of these pins. I had to, like, this part right here was supposed to face inward, and it was supposed to have one of these eye rods here. But then I had to turn this around like this and take the rod that was here and put it here. And then the one that was supposed to be here, which is one of these, I had to put it here. This is the same deal as down here. This was supposed to be facing inward and then have another one of those eye bins here. So I had to take the eye bin out and turn this around like this, and then use that eye bin up here. And that's how I was able to build this thing, having 2 missing rods. And it's fine. It's not loose here. It doesn't go down. The floor is not wobbly. It's fine. But this is it. So here it is, the JOYTOY MECHA Depot Maintenance Area. I don't have the maintenance guys. That set is kind of expensive, but maybe if they go on clearance or if they go on sale anytime soon, who knows. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be safe, be blessed. Take care.